Is your engine feeling sluggish, rough, or just not as powerful as it used to be? Well, today I'm going to show you a few mind-blowing tricks that can literally make your engine run like it's brand new again. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple steps to bring back lost horsepower, improve fuel economy, and make your car feel smooth again, all without spending thousands at the shop. Let's dive in. One of the easiest and most effective tricks is cleaning your throttle body. Over time, carbon builds up, choking airflow and causing rough idle, poor acceleration, and sluggish response. Backhand index pointing right, remove the intake hose. Spray some throttle body cleaner and wipe it down. Trust me, you'll instantly notice a smoother idle and better throttle response. Backhand index pointing right, use MAF cleaner spray. Never touch it with your hands, and you'll get back lost performance and better gas mileage. Old spark plugs are one of the top reasons your engine feels tired. Worn plugs from misfire cause hesitation and eat up fuel. Backhand index pointing right, swapping them for fresh plugs, and checking your ignition coils can make your engine fire like new again. This is one of the biggest new car feel upgrades you can do. Deposits build up inside your injectors over time, clogging them and starving the engine. A good quality fuel injector cleaner added to your gas tank can restore spray patterns, improve combustion, and give back lost horsepower. It's a cheap trick with big results. This might sound simple, but keeping fresh oil in a clean filter is absolutely key. Dirty oil creates sludge and increases engine wear. Changing it on time is like giving your car a fresh breath of life. Backhand index pointing right, and don't forget your air filter. A clean filter means better airflow and better performance. Here's a bonus pro tip. Check for vacuum leaks. Cracked hoses or loose connections can cause rough idle, poor fuel economy, and even check engine lights. Fixing a $5 hose can sometimes feel like a full engine rebuild in terms of smoothness. So there you have it. Simple but powerful tricks that can make your engine run like new again. Clean your throttle body. Fresh plugs, MAF cleaning, injector treatment, oil changes, and checking for leaks. These small steps make a massive difference. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and share this with a friend who needs their car running smoother. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your ride alive with Driven to Repair.